Hello there, it's Greg from Can I Go and Play Now? And we're here on Adventure Island following some of the clues that Riddle Diddle has been leaving for us. And we've got our magic phone and we've got our mini message centre with the Adventure Island map inside. Now, Eppie's telling me that the badger rabbit has been this way. Did you see the badger rabbit? I didn't see the badger rabbit. What's that, Bonnie? Oh, Bonnie's saying that the badger rabbit will have left us something. Can you see anything at all? It might have left. What's that, Bonnie? Oh, okay. Well, apparently the badger rabbit will have buried it somewhere. Okay, let's have a little look. Let's have a look. Eppie, can you see anything? Eppie's coming to help. I'll scrabble around, see if I can find anything. Probably buried it under the leaves here. Oh my goodness. Bonnie, you're never going to believe this. Oh, Bonnie's chewing on a leaf. That's not very clever, is it? Eppie, check this out. Look, Eppie. Ooh, I know. How cool is this? We found the min pin tin. Yes. Let's take a look. And I can already hear that there's something inside it. Let's see what's inside now. The min pin tin can be a little bit stiff, can't it? It can be very strong to open it. I can't open it that side. What about this side? Here we go. Oh. Thank you for helping me at home if you did. Oh. Wow. Hey, check this out. There's the super shell. Oh. Now, I can't see any message inside it, can you? No. Oh. Wow. Look at that. A transparent shell. Can you see that? So transparent means that you can see through it. Can you see that? If I hold it like that, you better see my finger on. Can you see it? Look, on the other side. It's transparent. This one isn't transparent, but this shell is. How cool is that? Wonder if we can see Bonnie through it. Can we see Bonnie through the transparent shell? Maybe a little bit. She's quite a way away, isn't she? What else have we got? Oh, hang on. There might be a secret symbol on the back of this. Look, I've just found a lid. Should we have a look if there is one? Oh, normally we might have found a secret symbol, but there isn't. Oh, hang on. I've just found something really cool in here. Check this out. Two things that are really cool. Two little goggly eyes. I wonder why they're there. Shall we ring Riddle Diddle and ask him? Remember, it's at number 8, isn't it? 1 more than 7, 8. So I've got to press number 8 just there. Let's ask him. Oh, hi, Riddle Diddle. Hi, it's Greg. Yes. Well, we've just found the min pin tin. Can't really find any clues, but we have found some googly eyes. Oh, really? Oh, okay. How cool is... Yeah, okay. Hey, Bonnie and Eppie, he wants us to use the goggly eyes to make things with. Yes, we're going to make some characters. Hey, it's something called eye bombing. I've got a great idea. Should we go and do some eye bombing now on our adventures? Come with me, look, let's go.
Eye bombing means to put goggly eyes onto objects to bring them to life. Look at this leaf, doesn't it look really cool? I wonder what else we'll bring to life. You can do eye bombing at home. If you don't have goggly eyes, then what you can do is draw some, cut them out, and use some blue tack to stick them onto objects. You just need to look for things that look as though they could come to life just by adding some eyes to them. There's lots to discover. This one looks a little bit like a pig. Oink, oink. And this one looks very surprised. And right at the end, this character told us to go and look for a key. Have you seen a key at home? We couldn't find one anywhere. I wonder what key he's thinking of. We'll keep on our adventures, and in the meantime, see what you can find to do some eye bombing on. Take care, bye-bye.